What can an individual do to control air pollution? One, when you see a polluting vehicle, take down the number and send a letter to the Road Traffic Office (RTO) and the Pollution Control Board (PCB). Second, if you observe an industry polluting air, inform the Pollution Control Board in writing and ascertain if action is taken. Three, use cars only when absolutely necessary. Walk or cycle as much as possible instead of using fossil fuel powered vehicles. Four, use public transport as far as possible, as more people can travel in a single large vehicle rather than using multiple small vehicles, which add to pollution. Five, share a vehicle space with relatives and friends. Carpools minimize the use of fossil fuels. Six, do not use air fresheners and other aerosols and sprays which contain CFCs that deplete the ozone layer. 7, do not smoke in public place. It is illegal and endangers not only your own health but also that of others. 8, coughing can spread bacteria and virus. Use a handkerchief to prevent droplet infection, which is airborne and endangers the health of other people. 9, it is citizens' duty to report to the local authorities such as the collector or the pollution control board and the press about offences made by a polluter so that action can be taken against the offender. 10, it is equally important to prevent and report to authorities on cutting down of trees, as this reduces nature's ability to maintain the carbon dioxide and oxygen levels. 11, preventing air pollution and preserving the quality of our air is a responsibility that each individual must support so that we can breathe air that will not destroy our health. Thank you. Have a nice day.